on today's edition of Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy Speaks Things to You. I am discussing how I love Pic Collage. Pic Collage is the photo editing app that I love to use for my several businesses. My Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, my Plant to Palm Creations, lots of cool stuff. It's great for editing. Go in there, pick a couple pictures. Don't mind, that's like baby food that I used to make for my kids when they were babies, but now they're not anymore. Anyway, really cute stuff, right? You can pick different sizes for your pictures. You could do side to side, top and bottom, up and down, the horizontal, all these different ways, different background colors. You can remove a picture if you want. You can add several pictures. You can put a bunch of stickers like more food. You can just really have lots of fun with Pic Collage and really use it to your benefit as a small business. You could display the products you sell. You can display reviews. You can display sales that you're offering. You can type your business name, like right there. It's Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, the Poconos first and only award-winning green certified cleaning business. I had some chocolate before I did this, but see how cool? You could change the font. You can change the color of the font. You can change the type of font. This is all a free app. I did pay $2.99 to take the watermark off because I didn't want Pic Collage written on it all the time, but that's fine for me. It was only $3. So look at that. You can have so much fun. Great investment for a business to just make graphics. You don't have to be a genius or, super smart with Photoshop or all those photo editing stuff, because I'm not. And look at that. Like, I'm really cool with Pic Collage. I love it. I've been doing it for years. So it's free, fun photo app software. Have fun. Make your flyers, different shapes, sizes, whatever. I love it. So that is my Crunchified Clean tip for the day. Business owners, have fun, rock out, and enjoy your day. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow and love and comment and all that other stuff. Bye.